Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is well. I am blessed. And I hope everyone is blessed. This is the day that the Lord has made, and I will rejoice in it, no matter what. So thank you all. I'm getting ready. I'm going to read you my scripture for this morning. This is a morning for me. I will surely bless you and make you a descent of my numbers of the stars in the sky, and as the sand on the seashore. Genesis 22:7. I will surely bless you and make you a descendant as numerous as the stars in the sky, and as the sand on the shore sea. Genesis 22:17. Thank you for the reading of my scripture. Okay, I know every time I read my scriptures, I want to know it's going to help someone sometime today, tomorrow, next year, or whenever you go into the video. Okay, I hope you all understand what I'm saying. I'm a little bit hoarse this morning because this is on the morning time for me also. So I'm getting ready to do
Southern style breakfast. Pork chops, scrambled eggs, toast, and country potatoes, country fried potatoes.
So I'm getting ready to get started now with the potatoes in the skillet. Okay, I'm going toward the stove. I'm going to start with potatoes. I think this is about, how many potatoes is it?
That's about 6 small potatoes.
Okay. Okay. And I'm cooking my vegetable. I'm cooking them in vegetable oil. I have it on high, so it should start getting, it'll be getting hot just a second.
Okay, y'all, she's finna start on the meat while she's waiting for the potatoes to cook. And she got her bell peppers and onions over there. She's gonna put in when the potatoes are almost done. All right.
I have sweet onions and bell peppers with cut up onions.
She's gonna put a little garlic salt and little garlic powder and little onion powder in it.
This is the garlic powder. This is onion powder now. Okay. Pepper. Okay. Let me just kind of stir it around in the pan. Okay, I'm getting ready to put everything on my pork chops right now. So they were kind of thick. They are pork loin chops. I usually buy the little thin ones. I didn't realize they were as thick as they are. I'm gonna smother these, but I'm cooking them for breakfast now. So okay, so.
She put onion, garlic, and onion powder on onion, garlic powder, onion powder on those, and on the other two, and black pepper.
Okay.
Number 2 over there, she putting complete on, y'all.
I beat these down, don't look like they done come back too, so. Here we don't have.
Okay, y'all, she just added the onions and bell peppers. To make the scrambled eggs now. So she put butter in the skillet, y'all.
All right, you guys. Butter melted enough. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I'm ready to go. This is the morning breakfast for Miss Lena's kitchen. And honey, it's a southern style breakfast, I'll tell you. I have pork chops, I have wheat bread toast, eggs, strawberry jelly, I have oranges, and I have potatoes.
Country.
Southern fried potatoes. It's a good southern style breakfast. And I know it's delicious. I haven't had time to taste it yet. But anytime I make a southern style breakfast, it's always delicious. So I'm going to take a taste for you. But this is the final presentation of my southern style breakfast. And I hope you all will enjoy it on this video. And this is something that you all can do anytime that you want to. You can take it from, instead of a breakfast, it can be a brunch. It'd be like breakfast and lunch combined. So it's going to be delicious, and I know it is. And I thank you all for viewing. And this is just an idea that maybe you want to take up. When you don't get the breakfast early, get it out at midday. You will combine for the rest of the day until later on in the afternoon. So thank you all so much. Love you all. And this is from Miss Lena's kitchen. Let me get a little bite. I don't want to take a big bite. I'm having trouble with my teeth, so I'm just going to take a little bite while I'm on here. I hope y'all will enjoy. Oh, it's so good. Oh, this flavor. Boy, the onion flavor and everything in the potatoes is very delicious. And I know you all will enjoy it. So I will be talking to see you later in the next live a video. Thank you so much. Goodbye from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Till next time. Bye-bye now. Love you all. Bye.
Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Come on in now. You know it's all